The number one question we get is, where do I start? We've gotten a lot of brand new people that have started following us and kind of come into the community, and this question is one that we get on a regular basis, almost a daily basis. And this is a shameless plug for our small beginner kit. We make YouTube videos, and that's how you guys found us, but we really fund our business by selling supplies. We have a website with hundreds of supplies on there, and if you're brand new, the beginner kits are definitely the way to go. The most popular of the beginner kits is the small beginner kit. Now this comes with 6 different items, 3 router bits, a base plate, a depth gauge, and a set of 1.5-inch letters. The most critical products in this beginner kit are the 3 router bits and the base plate. Now the 3 router bits are the ones that we use on probably 80% of our signs. That's the profile bit, the 60-degree V-groove, and the 90-degree V-groove. The profile bit is probably the most used bit. It definitely is. So with the profile bit, you can do outset letters. That's go around the outside of the outset letters. You can do artwork that isn't super detailed, but a lot of artwork. And you can also carve small inset letters. The 90-degree bit is what we use to get the textured background. So that's what you would use around the outside of the outset letters. It can also do large inset letters. The 60-degree bit is specifically designed to do small and medium-sized inset letters. It's got 3 flutes and it cuts like a dream. The 60-degree bit can also be used for background in tight areas where maybe the 90-degree doesn't fit. The base plate is something that Dad and I designed years ago, and we found it is critical for control of your router. It allows you to have your hands in contact with the router and the surface of your board at the same time. It makes a huge difference. The router bit depth gauge is maybe one of our most popular items. We use it on almost all of our videos, and it allows you to have context of how deep to set your router bit depending on what you're carving. The 1.5-inch fatty font set is perfect, especially for newcomers. It is a really cool font, it's easy to carve, it's very forgiving, and the 1.5 inch is our most popular size. It really can do smaller signs, but it's also applicable for medium and larger signs. One of the things that we hear all the time, either through email or when we're out doing demos, is I've tried to freehand carve and I stink at it. Well, it's like everything else. If you don't have the right tools and the right setup, you're really kind of doomed to fail. You've got 3 things that are very critical if you want to carve a nice sign. Number 1 is the right router bits. If you're trying to do it with the wrong router bits, you're not going to have much luck. Number 2 is the base plate. That, like I talked about, gives you maximum control of your router. And the 3rd one is the right material. And we have videos on that. So if you don't have the right material, the router bits, and the base plate, it's really going to be tough to carve a nice sign. 80% of the carving that we do is done with these 3 router bits. However, we also have a large beginner kit that's got 6 router bits on it, the other stuff. It also has a lot more layout letters, and it has some other products as well. You can check them out over at makeawoodsign.com, and we'll have links, as always, links in the description below, so you can go check out everything. So there it is, guys. Again, sorry for the shameless plug, but we really wanted to address this. This is a great way to start. If you have any questions, you can email us, eric@makeawoodsign.com or ryan@makeawoodsign.com. Christmas is coming. This is a great gift idea as well, and we have gift certificates on the website as well. Links for everything down below. Merry Christmas, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.